My video guide today will help you to get rid of online scam related to the website installplugin.com. So this is a very deceptive website that tries to force you into downloading certain software. The pop-up displays pretty scary message when it says that some virus was found. It says that your system is infected with 3 viruses and some other faulty and scary messages are delivered by these pop-ups. By the way, the pop-up uses the logo of Apple Care Protection Plan, but the point is that this is a fake Apple Care Protection Plan alert. If you click on Scan Now, there will be the imitation of fake scanning, and then the pop-up may sort of recommend a certain software. By the way, this could be some decent software, but we definitely do not approve such methods because these pop-ups by installplugin.com are the brutal scam that tries to infect your system considerably with adware, with malware, with some potentially unwanted apps, and so on. So the only correct solution is to leave this page and not to trust its content. If you have been recently downloading and installing some of such scary pop-ups, if you have been installing something through them, then you need to carefully research your available Mac applications. So if you find some suspicious items like fake Adobe Flash Player version or some other unwanted software, get rid of it. I would also strongly recommend that you research your Mac additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on this page, combocleaner.com. So after the application is downloaded and installed, let it update the antivirus database. Then click on Start Combo Scan and begin the thorough research of your Mac computer. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Of course, in your case, it will be in the trial mode. But you may go to the antivirus section. The program will show you the total number of threads that were found during the scanning. Click on Review Results. So this is the list of threads, and not just the list, but rather their location. You may go to each specific thread, one thread at a time, until you find this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its exact location in Finder. Here it is. You may right-click on it and move this thread to the trash. Basically, you may do the same thing with all other threads, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of these threads automatically and to get your Mac fully protected.